I'm Jordan, and you're watching Fixbook.
So today I'm going to be showing you a little trick for on your manual window handle, that little knob. When it pops off a lot, I'm going to show you a quick little trick of how to correct that so your knob will stay on when you're rolling your window up or down. So let's take a look. Okay guys, so here is your little handle and here's a little knob that tends to pop off after a long time of usage here. After you got a bunch of miles, when you're twisting, this guy will pop off. And first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to remove this handle. You may be able to do what I'm showing you how to do without removing the handle, but just get you a little pick like this, or they say you can take a rag and kind of work it in and pop the clip off. This is the clip. What you're trying to do is catch the ends and get it off. When you stick a rag and you have two hands, you have a hand here and a hand here, and you're rocking the rag back and forth, it might pop that clip out. I prefer this method where I take a pick and I grab onto it, and we can see when you're looking back in here, you see these little grooves. That is where the clip lies. So it's going to be in here, it's going to be behind this little washer. You're going to look in here and you're going to grab it like that, and then once you get that off, this guy just slides off. Now the trick I'm trying to show you guys is this little guy has 1, 2, and 3 little lines, so it's basically like a little claw guy. Now when it's in like that, the knob pops off easily. But if you stick, what I did was I took a business card and I ripped it up and I stuck it in there, and now you can see it's kind of like that. Now with it stuck out a little bit, this knob will no longer pop off. So that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple, quick little fix, simple project. So that'll conclude today's little project. Hope I helped you fix your thing, and I will see you guys next time.
Hey, thanks for watching, guys. If you would like, subscribe, comment, and all that fun stuff. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.